My whole mission in life is to destigmatize Mexican food. Have a scotch, and how amazing that it's also paired with ilegal mezcal, but you don't have to fit yourself into a box. There's no boxes, there's no rules. This is cooking to eat and drink what makes you feel good. So
Eve, it's enough, make us a drink.
All right, Stephanie, thanks a lot for having me. What's great about this is really interesting. I was kind of thinking about what's behind the back of the house and what the pre-shift meal is. Every bartender really wants a drink at the end of the day too, don't they? So this is kind of the end of shift drink is what we'll call this. The first thing you
I think we can all relate to that though. I like an end of work drink, so.
Exactly right. It's an end of day drink, whatever you want to call it.
I miss going to bars so much, but sitting on this side of the screen as you made that, like sort of made me feel like I was at a bar for a second, so thank you for that.
You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. Cheers, friends.
Now we're gonna head over to Claudette.
hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us in this family meal. This recipe is really not just one particular recipe. It really comes from the ingenuity that cooks have to steal other people's prep. You know, at El Jardín, when it was open, I designed the kitchen to be an island. So we would literally walk from one end in a circle when it was time for family meal, and beef trimmings, tepache from the bar. We would steal rice. So this rice, the arroz poblano, it is like a hug. It's like an embrace from the aunt you maybe never knew you wanted to have. It's that dish that is so flavorful. And essentially it's just rice with milk. So it's a very savory arroz con leche.
This meal looks completely amazing.
I'm gonna totally
And
cheat.
you have to take a bite for us because we just need that finish. Are you happy, dance?